This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying real coverage and why that matters. Look at operator maps and local tower sites so you don't chase non-existent signals. Once done, confirm your phone or router supports the carrier's 5G bands and bands propagation differences. Next, identify backhaul. Fiber delivers best latency. Fixed wireless or microwave can work where fiber lacks access. Make sure property access and permissions are lined up so you can install hardware without delays. Now you perform the complex middle steps. Choose a weatherproof 5G CPE or directional antenna sized for rural gain, then mount it on a pole or roof with line of sight toward the closest tower or relay site. Once installed, connect using shielded Ethernet or low-loss coax and power it securely. Configure APN, lock bands if needed, and test throughput at different angles. Make sure to optimize elevation and grounding to reduce dropouts and improve SNR before final sealing. Finish by validating performance. Run multiple speed and latency tests at different times and record results so you know baseline performance. Once satisfied, secure mounts, weatherproof cable entries, enable automatic firmware updates, and add surge protection to prevent outages. If performance lags, re-aim the antenna, swap to a higher gain model, or request the carrier to check tower load or add a small cell. If nothing helps, escalate to a technician and share your test logs so they can pinpoint the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.